Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Hey photographers, ready to take your photography above and beyond? Meet Comet, the ultimate camera trigger packed with high-speed wireless flash control, time-lapse, HDR, AI suggestions, and so much more. Never miss the perfect shot again. Whether you're a professional or just starting with your first camera, Comet brings your creative vision to life. Comet is a powerhouse of features. It mounts directly onto your camera's hot shoe and connects via USB to unlock endless possibilities. Access all its intuitive features from the onboard touchscreen app or your mobile device. Capture the perfect moment with ease. Comet's advanced sensor technology triggers the shutter at the right time, letting you adjust the threshold to capture the exact moment you want. Lighting is critical, especially indoors. Comet's wireless flash receiver add-on makes high-speed shooting a breeze, harnessing the full potential of your hot shoe. Time-lapse photography is our passion, and we've perfected it with Comet. From basic to complex holy grail time-lapses, Comet has you covered. Our AI suggestion feature uses a deep neural network trained on thousands of professional images. Join our community and contribute your photos to scale your creativity without limits. Long exposure photography can be tricky, but Comet simplifies it. Forget about charts and stop calculators. Our app has a built-in ND calculator. Choose your ND, stop, and update your camera exposure automatically. The Comet app is designed with professionals in mind. It's user-friendly and gives you access to all essential camera settings available for both iOS and Android. Take your storytelling above and beyond with Comet. Get yours today and unlock the full potential of your camera. Meet Foley, the ultimate smartphone expansion device that's here to revolutionize your mobile experience. Never worry about running out of power again. Foley stores enough juice to charge your frequently used devices multiple times. And guess what? It fully charges in just 30 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to endless adventures. High-definition Bluetooth calling? Absolutely! Foley syncs with your phone's caller information and address book so you can handle calls with ease. Dial, reject, or call back without even picking up your phone. Need to take notes. Foley's got you covered with 24-hour local voice recording. Turn on the intelligent recording function and capture clear, low-noise memos anytime, anywhere. Love music? Foley features a built-in Bluetooth speaker with 4 GB of memory for local music storage and playback. Enjoy high-quality sound wherever you go, whether you're connected to Bluetooth or playing stored tracks. Capture the perfect shot with ease. Use Foley to snap photos from a distance, freeing up your mobile phone and going beyond the limits of your arm's reach. Can't find your phone? No problem. Just pick up Foley and click search. Your phone will sound an alarm, making it easy to locate in no time. But wait, there's more. Foley is packed with useful features that make it the perfect expansion device for your smartphone. It's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their mobile lifestyle. Upgrade your phone experience with Foley. Get yours today and discover a world of possibilities. Get ready to stay pro and stay productive with the all-new OBSBot Tiny 2. This powerhouse brings you top-notch image quality, advanced AI features, and brand new preset modes, all at a budget-friendly price. Experience seamless video calls like never before. Whether you're in portrait or landscape, Tiny 2 ensures your workflow stays professional and productive. With more accurate body part tracking, Tiny 2 focuses on the upper body and close-ups, offering improved accuracy and smoothness. It's perfect for keeping you in the frame and in focus. Boost your productivity with the brand new preset modes. Set your PTZ position, tracking mode, image settings, and even bokeh in advance. Enhance your workflow with just a few clicks. Magical Efficient Gesture Control 2.0 lets you streamline your workflow from a distance. Activate AI auto tracking and adjust zoom with just 3 simple gestures. Capture stunning moments in UHD 4K resolution. With up to 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS, Tiny 2 is the budget-friendly choice for vivid details and memorable moments in your everyday life. Tiny 2's precise PDAF technology ensures deft and accurate autofocus. Quickly detect the phase and move the lens to the focus point instantly. Thanks to the advanced 1/2 inches CMOS sensor, Tiny 2 delivers amazing image signals and a noticeable leap in image quality. Tiny 2 features dual omnidirectional microphones with adjustable noise cancellation, ensuring sound-image synchronized video calls and high-quality sound transmission even in noisy backgrounds. Simplicity and practicality at its best. The built-in stand and 2-axis gimbal design of Tiny 2 provides stable video calls, allowing you to unleash more possibilities. Stay pro, stay productive with Obesbadi Tiny 2. Hey there, MacBook Pro users, ready to unlock your full potential? Meet the DockBook Vertical Dock, the ultimate way to transform your MacBook Pro into a powerful desktop workstation. Simply slide your MacBook Pro into the DockBook, and instantly you're connected to a high-speed, fully functional desktop setup. The solid machined aluminum body houses custom-designed high-speed electronics, transferring your MacBook's connections to the back of the DockBook at an incredible 40 Gbps per port. Exclusively designed for MacBook Pro models with a touch bar, the DockBook is compatible with 13, 15, and 16-inch MacBook Pros. It's easy to connect, holds your MacBook secure and upright, and works like a charm. Working from a laptop is great on the go, but when you're at your desk, connect to a large monitor, keyboard, and mouse to really unlock your potential. The DockBook makes it seamless. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, the DockBook has got you covered. Insert your MacBook from either side and get straight to work. The DockBook Vertical Dock, where great things come in compact, sleek packages. Elevate your MacBook Pro experience and transform your workflow today. Hey, sleep lovers! Did you know we spend a third of our lives sleeping? A restful night is essential for recovery and starting the day refreshed. But snoring can ruin that peace. Let's talk about a game-changing solution, the Nightronic Z6 Smart Pillow. Snoring is often caused by partial airway obstruction, leading to soft tissue vibrations. Turning the snorer's head to the side is the best way to stop this. That's where the Nightronic Z6 steps in, seamlessly fitting into your sleep routine to create a relaxing and peaceful night. The Nightronic Z6 features 6 full-size independent airbags, ensuring there are no blind spots for snorers to hide from our anti-snore system. Wherever your head is on the pillow, we've got you covered. Equipped with a patented MEMS sensor, the Z6 detects snoring sounds seconds after they begin. The non-contact built-in sensor accurately recognizes head position, inflates the air chambers, and gently turns the head to the side to stop snoring. No more pushing your snoring partner to their side, only for them to roll back and start snoring again. Use the app to monitor snoring and sleep data remotely, or the manual control for quick adjustments. Made of extra soft, supportive memory foam, the Nightronic Z6 provides a clean and healthy sleep environment. It's especially great for elderly folks, supporting shoulders and neck, dispersing sleep pressure, and keeping you cool with its breathable material. Ready for the best sleep of your life? Tired of bulky car fridges limiting your freedom? Meet the Lithely Frozen Pack. The game changer for all your outings. Say goodbye to cumbersome fridges stuck in your trunk. The Frozen Pack transforms any outing. Place it anywhere in your car for road trips. Carry it as a backpack for hikes and picnics, or attach it to your e-bike or scooter. It's freedom redefined. Built with water-resistant TPU 840 fabric, it's perfect for fishing trips, soccer games, and more. Keeping your food fresh and drinks icy cold wherever you go. With a temperature range of -4 degrees to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, this versatile fridge keeps your items at the ideal temperature. Whether you're on a rugged cycling trip or a relaxing picnic, your food and drinks stay perfectly chilled or warm. With a 42.1% capacity to volume ratio, the Frozen Pack offers 77% more packing capacity compared to similar-sized fridges. Pack more for your next outing and keep everyone satisfied without sacrificing portability. Beat the heat with rapid cooling. The Frozen Pack blasts drinks down to a refreshing 32 degrees Fahrenheit from room temperature in just 15 minutes. Innovative 3-layer insulation includes a TPU 840 fabric exterior, PU, and EPE inner lining for exceptional temperature retention. keeping your items perfectly chilled for up to 4 hours, even when unplugged. Stay in control with intuitive touch controls and a built-in LED display. Adjust the temperature easily with accessible buttons on the top of the pack. The lethally frozen pack isn't chained to your vehicle. Use the 12V/24V car charging while cruising, then switch to battery power for over 6 hours of chilling when you're on the go. Need more adventure time? No problem. Swap in a fresh battery with the replaceable U20 IPS super battery system for uninterrupted cooling. With optimized battery placement and thin triple-layer insulation, the lithally frozen pack offers 77% more space and a 16L capacity. It's the ultimate portable fridge for all your adventures. Welcome to the future of memo taking and organization. Meet the Fomemo P15, the inkless printer that's revolutionizing the way we handle our daily tasks. Seamlessly integrating with your digital devices, the Fomemo P15 redefines efficiency with features like instant date printing and versatile label creation. Whether you're on your PC or mobile, this printer enhances your productivity wherever you are. No more messy ink cartridges, just smooth, hassle-free printing for all your needs. The Fomemo P15 combines the reliability of traditional memo taking with cutting-edge technology, ensuring a convenient experience every time you print. Need to print dates for appointments in a snap? No problem. Want to label things around the house neatly and effectively? Fomemo P15 has got you covered. It even helps with school projects, making it effortless for you and your kids. Its charming retro design adds a stylish touch to any workspace or home. Plus, setting it up and replacing supplies is so easy. You'll spend less time fussing with the printer and more time focusing on what's important to you. It's perfect for jotting down quick notes and reminders, labeling jars, organizing craft supplies, or marking tools with clear, professional-looking labels. The Fomemo P15 is a practical and stylish addition to any workspace or home. Simplify your life and stay organized with the Fomemo P15 inkless portable printer. It's your trusty assistant for every day, making your tasks easier and your life more efficient. Introducing the Mini Nova Max, the ultimate powerhouse in portable air blowers. With larger blades and a more powerful 200W motor, this little device packs a punch. Experience the Mini Nova Max's incredible motor speed of up to 131,000 revolutions per minute and wind speeds exceeding 50 mph. It's like holding a hurricane in the palm of your hand. Take it outdoors and blow away anything you want. Watch as the ultra-strong wind clears fallen leaves, snow, and even ripples water surfaces. It's an incredibly satisfying feeling. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum with a refined metal sandblasted finish, the Mini Nova Max not only performs powerfully, but also looks and feels premium. How long has it been since you cleaned your computer case or keyboard? Covered in dust? No problem. Just press the switch on the Mini Nova Max and cleaning becomes a breeze. Whether it's dust in the corners of your house, fallen leaves in your yard, or long unused items, the Mini Nova Max makes everything effortlessly clean again. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.